How to edit a post. To edit a post, go to your Beamer dashboard and then to notifications by clicking on the menu at your left. Then scroll down looking for the post you want to edit. For example, I will edit this one that's called Hello World. Then look for the edit icon. It's this little pencil right here on the top corner and the top right corner of your post. Click on it. You then see your post editor screen. You can make any change you want. And then, when you finish, just scroll down and save your changes. That's it. Simple as that.